summer? Because when the kids are out of school for so many months, then they don't practice.
To me, I don't think you're going to lose the math skills. I think it's much more for those of us, and I include myself in that, who are behind. Use the summer to catch up and go forward, okay? I don't think you're going to lose the skills as much as you need to use the summer to step forward and go ahead of where you have been and catch, if you're not up to the best in the class, catch it up. So that means that you have to somehow start doing some math training, math work, and step forward. I don't like the fact that we take that big a block, but not because you forget it, but because it puts us behind, further behind, okay? And that's it. And we're already behind. Anybody that thinks that underrepresented minorities are on par out of K-12, they ought to look at the data. We're not.